Well, good day. Back at it.
Here we are.
Yeah, what has it been, a week or two?
Couple.
Good. Great.
It's a busy time on the farm.
Yeah, it's crazy how it's changing. The box is like changing in front of us. Every single day I look at this thing, it's different.
I mean, we've kind of latched onto this walk through the garden sort of concept, and you know, the best of the season box really is a walk through the garden in any particular day, and this really represents mid-June.
Lettuces are looking great. We're starting to see them fill out. You know, they're almost like this, you know, this head. You know, it's like a wedge. It's perfect. We seek this lettuce in the winter months. You know,
and you know, it's kind of that time of year where you still have the lettuce gets better color when it gets colder temperatures. So this lettuce was actually planted in April.
Right.
It was exposed to the cold temperature, so it just got, I mean, it's got a lot of body.
Yes. Yeah.
Asparagus is hanging on.
Yep.
You know, we're probably coming to the end for the year.
Mm-hmm.
Probably another 10 days. Asparagus season's going to wind down. And of course, the green beans, it's just such a natural walk into green beans, you know?
Yep, we're loving those. And I love this, like you're seeing green and yellow French beans. We're also seeing green and yellow zucchini. Pretty fun. Spring onions.
Yeah, they're like a candy onion. I mean, they're so sweet.
Yeah. These are not your, not your grocery store spring onions. Really appropriate. Beautiful. When were these planted?
Last fall.
Great.
Yeah.
Starting to bulb out. The next thing we'll see is escape, which will be interesting. When they start to bloom, once that falls off, then we're looking at onions. What are you gonna make? What are you feeling?
You know, I'm not gonna use it to eat. I mean, you guys know I'm a farmer, I'm not a chef. But the whole point of this is really to see that, you know, the best of the season box, all of these that we're offering, don't let it intimidate you. It's vegetables. Just celebrate them, have fun. There's no right or wrong.
Right.
Cook to taste, cook what's fun, and have a good time with it.
Yeah.
And of course, Chef Jamie's gonna ratchet it up a notch and make something amazing. And I'm gonna make something edible to get, it's gonna be healthy, it's gonna be green, and it's gonna be best of season, but it's simple. And it's really, that's what it's all about. A simple version versus something a little bit more complex. You wanna kick it up a notch.
Yeah, we'll try. You know, I think like these summer months, I'm gonna do a curry, you know, which is a great like outlet for vegetables, you know, all the vegetables. Anything you can throw at the pot, just throw it in the curry, which is traditionally true. Generally with, this South Asian curry is almost used ubiquitously like we do barbecue sauce, right? Like there's a range of barbecue sauces available for the world. And same thing with these curries. We're using our spices from a good friend of the farm, Jahangir Mehta. Okay, so we're gonna take some of the asparagus, some of the beans, some of the rhubarb even, some of the onions, the peas, the bok choy, the arugula, and even this dense lettuce. We're gonna basically give it all a quick cook. We'll pull it off.
Gonna cook the lettuce.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That never happens.
No, right? No, it should happen because it's really great. We'll make a sauce. We'll transfer the sauce to the vegetables and serve.
And I'm not turning the stove on. I mean, mine's not going to be a lettuce salad. It's going to be a vegetable salad.
Cool.
Raw, everything raw. You know, one of the things we found in the lab is that actually, anytime we cook anything, we lose 50% of the nutritional value. In the summertime, I don't like the heat. I don't want to put the stove on. If I can make a dish completely raw without turning the stove on,
Right.
I don't miss the protein this time of year.
Right.
I mean, you just don't need it. You don't miss it.
Well, there's plenty of protein in these vegetables. In good shape. These spices, I got a lot going on here. I want to talk through this. We've got fennel seeds and mustard seeds and fresh turmeric that we're drying down. We've got garlic, cardamom, dill, coriander, caraway. We got some tea even. We got amarillo chilies and white sesame and dried onions and even dried tomato, mace, cumin. Yeah. Turmeric.
Wow.
Yeah. Overall, we're just
It's got some bite to it.
Yeah. We're just gonna toast these
all of them in there.
Yeah, toast these spices, the whole spices. We want to send those in the hot pan. We want to get a good gentle toast on that. We'll send all of this then to the spice grinder. We'll fry these spices and the onions and some of the other vegetables before we add our stocks. Maybe even coconut milk, and we've got some curried lamb fat, chicken fat. It'll be great. So let that do its thing. Yeah, we got those little mustard seeds like kind of bouncing around. All the seeds are toasting. It's getting really fragrant, floral, beautiful. It smells great though. Yeah, we're just gonna take it pretty gentle because we have spices in here already, but we're gonna want to get this somewhat cooking before we add any stock or dairy. Great. Some hot peppers. This will be like basically our curry base. We got a little coconut milk here, and we'll let this whole thing cook, reduce. In the meantime, we'll be searing our vegetables. I'm gonna add some dried tomatoes to this too. This is just some pulp we had from juicing. This will be a nice touch.
That looks beautiful. Look at the color.
Summertime, it's official.
Eat with your eyes.
Okay. You'll see I have reserved the peas. Those take no time.
Right.
In and out of the heat. I want a little char on this. I want this to cook too, because it's because it's a curry. So we're gonna want it to come and start to get a little softer than we normally would cook for this. So, a few minutes on the stove, a quick pulse with like an immersion blender, and we're just gonna pour this right over the vegetables.
Right.
Those vegetables will cook that last little bit, and
the magic happens.
yeah, really great, really quick. Generally curries are something you want to let go low and slow. You really protect the sauce at all costs. You spend a lot of time on it. It doesn't have to take all day. Okay, now peas. Those will cook real quick. And any herbs at this point. This chives would be great. The herbs in these boxes really change monthly. Right now is micro chives. It's a great herb, really versatile, can be used anywhere. These micro chives, you really don't have to cut them down super small. I just cut these into like maybe quarters. A little more stock. Okay. I think we're ready. We can plate. We're gonna do a little rice. Down, and this could be any grain, any
Right.
It doesn't even need a rice really, but I've got some rice, and I love
What do you have in there?
rice. I've got a little cilantro chopped in there.
Okay.
And that's it.
Smells good.
Yeah,
I can taste this already.
it's a good day. Some of these just cooked veg, real simple.
Gosh, that smells good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
That coconut oil,
Milk.
coconut milk.
Yeah. Keep this simple. A melange of summer vegetables. The South Asian, Indian culture, they nail the vegetable. Their vegetable game's been strong, for a long time. So we can definitely learn from them with these sauces. check. Serve that with a lime.
That's a good move.
Yeah.
And there we have it.
There it is.
One hot, one cold.
Just like that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy summer.
Cheers to June.
Made it.